right there will drive the old woman to go grab the carpet brush, and we can't bear the smell of that, can we, dear?
Now, Queenie, don't upset yourself. He's obviously going through the molt. Hormones running amok. Irrational behavior, mood swings.
What of it?
I don't think I like your tone, young poultry, my lad. And mind that, you'll be marking the doily on the couch next.
What's a doily on the couch?
I don't know, but it obviously works. It hasn't been doily on the couch for as long as I can remember.
Queenie, you're such a terribly good, funny cat.
Thank you, dear.
Cat? Are you a cat?
Well, of course I'm a cat.
Are you going to eat me?
Ugh, don't be disgusting the very thought. Ugh. No, I've never been into the bird business, you see. Can't do with all those feathers. It's like eating a meal and flossing your teeth at the same time. No, the old woman poaches me and fresh fish.
And the old woman? She's a person. Doesn't she hurt you? And you're a chicken. Why does she keep you shut indoors? Don't you prefer it out in the yard?
You must be crazy. All that scratching and scraping. I live on the couch, thank you very much. Queenie, I'm domesticated, you see.
It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world, but we don't want to hear. Our taste is good and liberal. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that ours starts best. So, you should be grateful that we are even bothering to enter a conversation with a pervert like yourself. You see, Lola, obviously maybe because of a deficiency in the leg department, Lola is very much into food she's used to.
And I might say that Queenie is downright snobbish when it comes to social interactions with poultry. I count myself most fortunate that our common interest in needlepoint has both geared us close to friends.
When your explores the great outdoors, one fears what one may see.
Where nobody shines perfect niche is here on the settee.
Outside the world keeps changing, it's a constant state of flux.
That doesn't suit domestic folks. It's best left for you ducks.
Oh, it takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts, but we don't want to hear. Our taste is good and liberal. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that our sorts.
I think my sorts.
Our sorts best.
So, what do you do here all day?
Well, we sit and chat and sit and chat. Now arch my back and let sparks fly from my fur.
And then we sit and chat and sometimes I'll eat an egg.
And is that it?
Well, what else do civilized folk do?
Well, my absolute favorite thing is swimming. Feels so wonderful to let the water close over your head and plunge right to the bottom.
Lola knows about plunging to the bottom. Don't you?
Come on, I'll show you.
Swimming in the autumn? I have never heard of such a crazy notion.
Well, you could use the exercise, dear. Think of your thigh meat. She's got drumsticks like an ostrich.
Well, you haven't exactly been asleep to your step aerobics as much as you can do to get your flap open.
Gracious, Lola, you're missing your favorite TV program. She loves watching my antique show. You're sitting on it.
Well, there's only one thing to do. I'll call from the kitchen.
Oh no, the old woman.
Don't be silly. She's gonna ring her own doorbell. So, come in. Quack, quack.
What are you doing here?
Thought I cooked Mag, you say?
Is that any way to treat your long lost brother? I mean, father?
Your father? Ugliness sure runs in the family.
He's not my father. Don't listen to him.
Oh, he's overcome. Son, hug your daddy. Your mother arrived and we're sick.
Don't listen to him.
Oh.
Does he look like a duck?
Now, dear. Folks from the glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that.
Oh, thank you. And I'm sorry if he's caused you any inconvenience, and I am eternally grateful that you've kept him all in one piece. Come on, Ducky. Thank the nice poultry for looking after you.
He's a cat, I tell you. A sly, treacherous, double-crossing,
Hungry.
no good, conniving tomcat.
I don't know what to do. The line's busy, darn it.
Well, hello.
Mercy, another duck. Haven't you got a pond to go to?
Meow.
Should be in back. You said his mother was sick with worry.
Meow. Meow.
I told you he's a tomcat.
Don't get any funny ideas, Queenie. We have a regiment. Don't forget. Meow. Oh no! There'll be tears before bedtime.
Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not of your ilk, if we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Sir, I need to lie in. Though it's true you're a scruff, but one wants to have things easy. One likes a bit of rough. Weenie! Together on the tiles we will totter. Together we will sing our party lost. Together we will make it Rusty hotter. Together you'll be throwing up fur balls. Together we will build ourselves a cat flip. Together after dark we'll find the lake. Together we will snuggle for a cat nap. Together you could string a violin. Have you forgotten, dear? The clinic has confirmed that they can fit you in. You need to be dewormed, and with your last attack, you won't reveal the staff. So maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she is rather prone to hairy parasites. Her fur is not her own, and on the hind she runs. You will break it like it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to bright, I don't think she'd be your type. Together we will sing her a chorus. Together we will choose our favorite keys. Together we will call her all before us. Together you could rid her of her feet. There are